Your printer powers on. You press Auto Home, the print head moves, and somehow the printer knows exactly where it is. But have you ever wondered how? The answer lies in homing sensors. These small devices tell your printer where the limits of movement are and help establish accurate positioning before every print. Welcome to our channel, Clone Print Lab, where we explain everything about 3D printing. Now, let's get started. What is auto-homing? Before a printer can begin printing, it must know its position. Unlike your phone's GPS, a 3D printer has no idea where the print head is when powered on. That's why it performs a homing sequence. The printer moves each axis until a sensor is triggered. That trigger becomes the reference point, usually called X home, Y home, and Z home. Once these positions are known, the printer can accurately move anywhere within its build volume. Mechanical end-stop switches. The most common and affordable homing solution is a mechanical end-stop. These are simple switches activated when the printer physically touches them. Advantages: extremely inexpensive, easy to replace, reliable when properly mounted, works with virtually all printers. Disadvantages: physical wear over time, can become misaligned, slightly less precise than advanced sensors. You'll find these on many beginner printers, including older Ender-style machines. For most hobbyists, they work surprisingly well. Optical end-stop sensors. Optical sensors use a light beam instead of physical contact. When a flag or tab interrupts the beam, the sensor triggers. Advantages: no physical wear, very consistent triggering, quiet operation. Disadvantages: sensitive to dust, slightly higher cost, requires proper alignment. Because there is no physical contact, optical sensors can remain accurate for a long time. Hall effect sensors. Hall effect sensors detect magnetic fields. A magnet attached to the moving component triggers the sensor when it gets close. Advantages: no physical contact, long lifespan, good repeatability. Disadvantages: requires magnet installation. Magnetic interference can occasionally cause issues, less common in consumer printers. These sensors are frequently found in industrial automation systems. Inductive sensors. Inductive sensors detect metal surfaces without touching them. They became very popular for automatic bed leveling systems. Advantages: no physical contact, high repeatability, durable design. Disadvantages: only detects metal. Detection distance varies, can be affected by bed material. If your build plate isn't metallic, performance may be inconsistent. Capacitive sensors. Capacitive sensors detect changes in electrical capacitance. Unlike inductive sensors, they can detect many materials. Advantages: works with glass, works with PEI, works with non-metal surfaces. Disadvantages: sensitive to temperature changes, sensitive to humidity, requires frequent calibration. While versatile, they're generally less consistent than some alternatives. BLTouch and CRTouch sensors. These are among the most popular modern solutions. A small probe physically extends downward and touches the bed. BLTouch and CRTouch are primarily leveling probes, but they can also serve as highly accurate Z-home sensors. Advantages: works with almost any bed surface, excellent repeatability, very accurate, widely supported. Disadvantages: more expensive, additional wiring, more complex installation. For many hobbyists, they represent the ideal balance between compatibility and compatibility. Strain gauge sensors. Some modern printers use strain gauges. Instead of detecting contact externally, the printer senses tiny forces when the nozzle touches the bed. Advantages: extremely accurate, no external probe required, clean appearance. Disadvantages: more expensive, complex design, usually integrated into premium machines. Many high-end printers use this technology for advanced automatic calibration. Which sensor is most accurate? In general, mechanical end stop, good. Optical sensor, very good. Hall effect, very good. Inductive sensor, excellent. Capacitive sensor, good to very good. BLTouch, CR-Touch, excellent. Strain gauge, outstanding. However, accuracy isn't everything. Reliability and ease of use often matter more in daily printing. Which sensor should you choose? For beginners, mechanical end stops are simple and inexpensive. For budget auto-leveling upgrades, CR-Touch or BL-Touch are excellent choices. For metal build plates, inductive sensors work very well. For premium printers, strain gauge systems offer the highest level of automation. For most users, BL-Touch or CR-Touch provide the best overall combination of accuracy, compatibility, and convenience. Conclusion: every 3D printer relies on homing sensors to establish accurate positioning. Mechanical switches remain the simplest solution. Optical and Hall effect sensors eliminate physical wear. Inductive and capacitive sensors enable contactless detection. BL Touch and CR Touch have become favorites among hobbyists, and strain gauges represent the cutting edge of printer calibration. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!